Hey SNHU-ANSWERED 190 students. Are you ready to master the art of research and persuasion? This course is foundational for your entire college career, but it comes with its own set of challenges. You're tasked with navigating complex library databases, evaluating credible sources, and weaving evidence into a powerful, persuasive argument. Are you struggling to find the right sources, organize your research, or make your thesis truly convincing? The final research paper can feel like a daunting task. Don't let the complexities of research and persuasion hold you back. At getbrainful.com, we specialize in helping students conquer courses like ENG 190. We provide expert guidance and tailored assistance to help you confidently approach your research paper. We'll help with everything from building a strong thesis to structuring your argument and ensuring your final draft is polished and well supported. Our goal is to help you earn the grades you deserve and build the foundational writing skills you'll need for your entire academic journey. Ready to write a powerful and persuasive paper? Visit getbrainful.com today. That's getbrainful.com, your essential resource for ENG 190 excellence.